Hey guys, this is the third video in the Excel technique data analysis series, and we're going to continue on in the in-cell functions. And in this one, we're just really going to cover the z-score. What the z-score is, as we know, the standardized score, which is really the standard deviation of any particular value in the data set. So we learned last time how to standardize a particular value, and that is the standard deviation score for that value. So if we wanted to try and have it shown for everything else, it doesn't work if you just drag it down right away. Instead, you need to add reference locks onto the cells that it is referencing. You can do this by selecting a individual reference, in this case A7. If you hit F4, it'll add the dollar signs for you, and if you hit F4 more than once, it'll switch it around until you get a desirable lock. In this case, I wanted to reference A and lock that, but free the row numbers, while the other two are completely locked because they should never reference anything else. So now that is done, you can drag it down and it will show scores very nicely. So how do you interpret this z-score? Well, let's see. The first one is negative 1.37. What that really says is this number, number 1, is 1.37 standard deviations below the mean of this data set. And we know that the mean of the data set is 4.9. So one standard deviation is like, I think, 34% or something. I covered that in the supplementary material. So you can read the individual standard deviation scores and get a feel for how far away it is from the mean. That's pretty much it for this video. And if you compare this data with the answer, if you've done it right, it should look pretty much the same. I didn't subtract the decimal places, but that's the numbers are really just the same. Okay, that's it for this one. I will see you next time in descriptive statistics.